Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English effectively. First, understand your learning style, whether you're a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner. This helps tailor your approach. Next, break down big assignments into smaller, more manageable parts. This makes the process less overwhelming and easier to tackle. Finally, concentrate on truly understanding the material rather than just rote memorization for lasting knowledge. To boost your reading comprehension, actively engage with the text. Highlight important details and make notes in the margins. After reading a paragraph or section, pause and summarize it in your own words. This confirms your understanding. Also, read a variety of genres, from fiction to nonfiction, to expand your vocabulary and improve your ability to interpret different writing styles. Mastering writing and grammar is crucial for English success. Regularly review fundamental grammar rules, paying close attention to common errors like subject-verb agreement or comma usage. Make writing a consistent habit. Even short daily entries can significantly improve your skills. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback on your writing from teachers or peers. Constructive criticism is invaluable for growth. Expanding your vocabulary and engaging in discussions will greatly enhance your English studies. Learn new words by seeing them in sentences and understanding their context, rather than just memorizing definitions. Use tools like flashcards or a dedicated vocabulary journal to help retain these new words. Finally, actively participate in class discussions. Sharing your thoughts and hearing others' perspectives deepens your understanding of the material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.